Today, we're talking about the YouTube growth tip that secretly got me over 100,000 views, and I didn't really know it was happening. And I think I know what you may be thinking. Normally for this type of video, you want to learn from the big YouTubers, right? The ones with millions of subs, massive followings, and all the credibility in the world. But honestly, I've always found it way more valuable to learn from creators kind of similar to the realm that I'm at. Smaller creators just like me who are figuring it out in real time. Because what works for me at 2.5 thousand subscribers is probably going to be a lot more actionable for you in comparison to someone that has an entire production team. So don't shrug me off just yet, because I made one little change, and that one little change passively got me over 150,000 views without even trying. So anyways, here's what my content process looks like. Think of a long form video idea, script the video, record the long form video, and then repurpose that into multiple shorts. It's pretty straightforward, right? But the secret to those extra views came from step number 2, the scripting. Most of us script videos with points that kind of go like first tip, second tip, third tip. That's fine for a long form video, but when you cut that down into shorts, it kind of feels like those shorts are missing a bit of context. They kind of just sound like a middle piece to a bigger puzzle. So instead of saying the second tip is blah, 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 I made each point sound like it's the only point of the entire video. Every section or point got its own mini hook, its own clean intro. So whenever I cut down my long form videos into shorts, each short kind of sounded like its own full video from start to finish. No awkward trimming, no missing setup. Each video is just straight, punchy, watchable content. All right, so let me show you exactly where this happened. It was a video called 16 DaVinci Resolve shortcuts every content creator should know. Now, normally I would have scripted it like this. Tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3. Instead, I scripted each shortcut so it would start with its own hook. Kind of like, here's how to duplicate clips instantly in DaVinci Resolve. How do you duplicate clips instantly in DaVinci Resolve? That way, when I clipped it for shorts, it already sounded like a full standalone video. And just from that one long form video, collectively the shorts that I made from it gathered me well over 150,000 views from just one little scripting change. And for the record, the long form video actually flopped with under 1,000 views, but collectively with all the shorts views combined, it was worth it. So to summarize, here's why this works so well. Every short feels like it has a beginning, middle, and end. And because of this, your long form videos also become a lot more punchy because every point starts with a strong hook. Repurposing content also becomes effortless. No more, how do I cut this so it makes sense for a short? And most importantly, you get way more content out of every single long form video you make. So anyways, here's the takeaway. Next time you script a video, make each point sound like it's the only point of the whole video. Do that and you suddenly have a long form video that is packed with hooks and short form content that basically edits itself. This one little tweak literally got me over 150,000 views from one video. And I'm a small creator, so if it works for me, it's going to work for you. So if you want more realistic, beginner friendly tips that will work for you because they work for me as well, then hit subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.